Hey guys, I got a 2002 BMW X5 3.0. I'm driving it right now, and whenever I accelerate at 2500 or more, here it is, you can hear that rattling. I'm not sure if it's timing chain clanking or if it's tensioner chain. So it's between 2600 RPM to about 28, 29 RPM. And then if I but if I accelerate more, right through 2500, it won't make that noise. But if I'm just easing up on it while I'm driving, or decelerating or accelerating, it sounds like a rattling heat shield, but it's not. Okay, any help would be great. These things are expensive to work on. Thank you.